Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Korean with Preet. First, let me introduce myself. I am Preet. I started learning Korean 2 years ago and I am grateful that I did. Unfortunately, cleared my topic 1 exam in October last year. However, on this channel, I am going to post Korean lessons step by step, which will help you guys to start with your Korean language journey. I will start from basics. So, let's start our first lesson today. Lesson number 0, Introduction to the Korean language. Point number 1, the Korean alphabet. The official writing system for South Korea is Hangul, which is the name for the Korean alphabet system. Korean is the official language of South Korea. Point number 2, the meaning of Hangul. The word Hangul comes from the Chinese character Han, means Korean, and Gul means letter. Put them together and you have got the term Korean letter or Korean alphabet. Point number 3, Korean alphabet's pronunciation. The Korean alphabet pronunciations have a lot of similarities with the English alphabets and the Hindi language alphabets. That make it easy to learn because you can use the pronunciations of Hindi alphabets and English letters to learn the Korean alphabet pronunciations. Point number 4, the Hangul alphabet consists of consonants and vowels that form syllables block, and these blocks makes together a word. So, this is the basic information about Korean language. In the next video, we will learn the vowels and consonants and how to pronounce them. Till then, take care and subscribe my channel.